Drinking pineapple juice is a habit that can greatly improve your health since pineapples contain several nutrients and antioxidants. They're rich in bromelain and vitamin C, both of which are needed for several of our body's functions. That's why if you drink pineapple juice every day, your health will improve in several different ways. Here are some benefits of this recipe. 1. It prevents inflammation. Bromelain contains strong anti-inflammatory properties. It helps our body get rid of toxins and prevents the inflammation that affects our tissues and organs. The daily consumption of pineapple juice will supply your body with bromelain, which will help treat sport injuries and sicknesses, such as arthritis, by reducing inflammation and pain. 2. It promotes healthy weight loss. Due to its high diuretic power, pineapple juice lessens swelling and helps fight water retention. It also reduces the urge to consume sugars and fats. One of the substances it contains, thiamine, converts carbohydrates into energy and boosts the metabolism. 3. It gets rid of liver and intestinal parasites. Bromelain contains anti-parasitic properties. Some studies show that eating pineapple for 3 days in a row on an empty stomach kills worms. 4. It strengthens your thyroid. Pineapples are rich in iodine and bromelain, which help treat several different autoimmune diseases and alleviate the symptoms associated with thyroiditis, inflammation of the thyroid gland. 5. It balances electrolytes. The potassium found in pineapples strengthens your body and balances your electrolytes, allowing you to avoid cramping and exhaustion. 6. It gets rid of heavy metals and toxins. Pineapple juice contains enzymes and antioxidants that cleanse your body of all heavy metals and toxins. 7. It facilitates digestion. Bromelain stimulates your body to digest proteins more effectively. 8. It strengthens your teeth and your gums. Pineapple juice contains calcium, which is vital in the formation of your bones and teeth, and vitamin C that fights infections and is essential for our teeth and gums health. 9. It improves our vision. Beta-carotene, present in pineapples, is very important for our vision. A study shows that 3 or more portions of pineapple per day can reduce the risk of age-related vision problems, such as macular degeneration, ARMD, one of the main causes of vision loss in elderly people. 10. It protects against cancer. The American magazine Planta Medica published a study comparing the effect of bromelain within a medicine used in chemotherapy, 5-fluorouracil. Researchers found that the anti-tumor effects of bromelain surpassed the effects of 5-fluorouracil. How to make pineapple juice. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 1 medium-sized pineapple, 6 mint leaves. Instructions: put the water inside of a glass jar with a lid. Peel the pineapple and cut it into small squares and put them in the water. Add the washed mint leaves. Close the jar and let it sit in the refrigerator for 8 to 10 hours. Drink your pineapple juice throughout the next day. The first cup that you drink should be on an empty stomach. When the mixture is gone, don't reuse any of your ingredients. Make a fresh batch with new ingredients. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.